What's sort of unique about this course is that we cover prosthetics, puppets, creatures, busts, anything related to special effects makeup. We teach both practical and digital techniques. Neil Gorton and I are very focused on it being an industry-ready course. So we want to make sure that students are at least introduced to the current way of working within the industry. We also make sure they spend some time at Millennium Effects based here in Cornwall so that they have a sort of introduction to an industry environment as well. So yeah, we try to cover a whole range of things within 1 year.
So for my final project, I was really inspired by American Werewolf in London, which is what I chose to do for my research project. And I really wanted to make my own werewolf, but I wanted to do a little bit of a spin on it. So I decided to make a baby werewolf. Froglower is my personal favorite thing I've made ever, but especially on this course. He is a Chihuahua-sized silicone puppet. He has head articulation and he breathes. I've always wanted to focus on creature design coming to this course, so it was really cool to actually be able to design my own creature. It's a very unique course that offers so many wonderful interactions. And of course, you get to meet people like Brad and Neil, which is something that not many other universities can offer. The makeup demos that Neil did, we get a few of them and I think they're absolutely fantastic. It was really nice to just get a feel for how it works in the industry and everything. I've learned so much through that.
I'm creating a kind of like a hyper-realistic cyborg lady woman. This is her head, and this is going to be her body. I'm currently assembling. My whole idea behind this project was to kind of get into the digital side of the prosthetic industry. Everything was 3D printed, 3D modeled, and then this face was obviously molded and cast in silicone with various different materials used for finishing touches.
I absolutely love being able to share what I've learned, and not only what I have learned in the past, but on what I'm still learning now. You know, there's been a lot of changes to our industry, and Neil and I are really excited to be across a lot of the new ways of creating things.
And Neil and Brad are one of the biggest people in the industry in the UK when it comes to prosthetics, I would say. So learning from them firsthand and having demos with Neil about running pieces and application, and then also with Brad and his digital stuff, I would say has helped me tremendously.
I have loved and cherished every single moment of this course. It's changed my life. And I'm getting upset about it because it's coming to an end. It's redefined my whole perception on being a creative, being an artist, and it's cemented in my mind and in my heart that this is what I really want to do.
I love seeing students improve. You know, the arc of improvement is something that I talk a lot about on the course, and it's not about just comparing yourself to what everyone else is doing, but it's testing yourself and pushing your own skill sets.
Do the course, it's really good, it'll change your life.